Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a dramatic look. This is my Eid makeup look. As you can see, this outfit has 3 different colors: pink, blue and yellow, and also gold in it. So I will be using the same colors on my eyes too. If you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. First, I'm going to prime my face by Benefit. Moving on to my foundation, and I'm using the foundation by Lancome in the shade 360. For my concealer, I'm using the concealer by Huda Beauty, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes and on my eyelid. To set my whole face, I'm using the baking powder by Huda Beauty. The first eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the silverish shade by James Charles, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. Now I'm taking the golden eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it on the center of my eyelid. For my crease, I'm taking this brown eyeshadow. For my outer V, I'm taking this blue eyeshadow and I'm applying it with my pencil brush. And I'm going to use this in a circular motion. Now I'm taking my blending brush and going to blend the colors, and I'm going to blend it until I get a smooth transition. Now I'm going back in with the gold eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it on the center of my eyelid. For my lower eyelid, I'm taking the pink eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it with my pencil brush. For my inner corner, I'm taking this silverish shade. For my eyeliner, I'm using the liner by Stila. The mascara I'm using by Too Faced. To line my waterline, I'm using the beige pencil by Makeup Forever. I'm gonna apply dramatic falsies off camera, and I'm using the lashes by Bold Girl Cosmetics. To contour my face, I'm taking the medium and dark shade by Kat Von D. I already have applied my blush off camera by Nars. To line my lips, I'm taking this pinkish brown pencil. This is one of my old pencils, so cannot tell you where exactly I got it from. To fill my whole lips, I'm using the lip gloss by Hard Candy in the shade 1398. Before I apply any highlighter, I'm going to set my face with a setting spray by MAC. To highlight my high points, I'm using the highlighter by Bold Girl Cosmetics, and I'm going to mix the first two shades. And here's my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.